Why haven't the big tech companies put more of an emphasis on it, such as the Googles and the Facebook, particularly the Facebook, given that one of their biggest challenges is trust? Could that not be a way for them to reposition themselves in the marketplace as being a trusted brand?
Mhm. I would say the Google, Amazon, all the big tech companies are already using these technologies. They are already not just keeping their content information in one place. They have all these distributed places, the technology platforms that they keep their content. I think the challenge with these big companies are that the content data that they have in their hands, they use it in a ways that sometimes we're not happy with. And the question is that how can we really take the ownership of that data onto ourselves?
The question is, how mainstream will it go? Whilst these leaders will start using it, it's about you utilize it where you actually need it. You don't need it right across the business. It could just be in certain functions such as finance, in marketing, in your human capital.
You don't really need to put everything on a blockchain. I mean, that's really, but when it comes to some critical content, some information that's valuable and needs to be controlled and sensitive, then you absolutely need to go in such places like the blockchain. And if you look at, I mean, it's a little bit philosophical comment I will make is that in the beginning, then when land was important, then comes where the factories in with the industrial revolution, when the factory or capital were important. Now is the content. Now is the data, is the value. So who controls in the past the land or the factories? Now whoever controls the content data will have the power, will have the control. And therefore, I think it's quite important that we all understand that. All these big tech companies already know about this. They draw their conclusion, their business decision from controlling that content. The question will be is that like then, how do you as authorities like government don't have such power, capital power or knowledge to protect your citizens? And that's why I really believe the technologies like blockchain will give that power back to the individuals rather than the big capital or big entities like Google's or Facebook.
Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for conversations just like this.